Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best surgical stitching kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone involved in medical training, veterinary practice, or even advanced first aid scenarios, offering a realistic and controlled environment to hone critical suturing skills before working on actual patients. This comprehensive kit provides a variety of materials and instruments designed to simulate different tissue types and wound complexities, allowing for thorough practice and skill development in a safe and accessible manner, ultimately contributing to improved patient outcomes and practitioner confidence. Number 5. Sterile Sutures Thread with Needle Plus Tools 28 pk. Introducing our complete suture kit, designed for a variety of training needs. It includes everything you need for practice and learning. This kit is perfect for medical, nursing, and veterinary students. It's also great for practicing anatomy, biology, and zoology. You'll find sturdy and reliable training tools within this package. They are built to withstand rigorous practice sessions. Beyond medical training, these tools are suitable for clinical rotations, hospital practice, and even taxidermy. This 28-piece set comes with 16 mixed sutures in various sizes and 12 essential instruments. It offers great value for your learning. The package dimensions are 7.13 by 4.29 by 1.81 inches, making it easy to store and transport. It weighs just 8.78 ounces. What we like. This kit offers robust training tools perfect for students and professionals alike. If you are looking for a comprehensive set for anatomy, biology, or clinical practice, this is an excellent choice. It provides a variety of suture sizes and includes essential instruments for hands-on learning. What people say. The kit includes a variety of needle sizes and types, suitable for different suturing techniques. The instruments are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. The practice pads are realistic and mimic the feel of human skin, providing an excellent training experience. Number 4. Sutures Butterfly Bandaids Laceration Closure Kit. Introducing Sutures Butterfly Bandaids, a revolutionary kit for closing lacerations without the need for stitches. It's designed for quick and effective wound repair. Experience superior wound protection with closure strips that are 8 times stronger than traditional sutures. They ensure your wound stays securely closed, even with movement. Save time and money with a closure method that's 3 times faster than sutures. Avoid stressful and costly trips to the emergency room for wound care. Enjoy a no-sew, easy, and painless wound closure experience. This device helps minimize scarring and trauma, promoting a more comfortable recovery. Achieve a perfect fit with adjustable closures. You can precisely control the tension across the wound for optimal closure and healing. This compact kit contains everything you need for emergency wound closure. It's an essential addition to any first aid kit, whether at home, work, or outdoors. What we like. Experience wound closure without the need for traditional sewing. This product is ideal for those seeking a faster, less invasive, and more comfortable healing process. If you prioritize minimizing scarring and want an easy-to-use solution for lacerations, especially in emergency situations, its adjustable closures offer precise control. What people say. These no-stitch adhesive adjustable sutures bring emergency room trauma care right into the field. They are super easy to use and apply, and can instantly close a cut or puncture wound. These butterfly Band-Aids are a lifesaver for myself. They actually helped close the wound and I got the bleeding to stop. Number 3. Suturing Guide eBook 4th Gen Pad. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive suturing guide. This ebook is designed to help you master essential techniques. Our 4th generation practice pad offers a large case and pad with a variety of suture slots. It provides a realistic feel for effective training. This kit includes all the necessary tools, including suture needles, to get you started. Practice with confidence knowing you have quality instruments. Developed by experienced medical professionals, this guide is tailored for accuracy and effectiveness. Learn from the best in the field. Perfect for residents and students in medical, dental, and veterinary schools. Enhance your practical skills and prepare for your career. The pad features a variety of suture slots, allowing you to practice with different types of sutures. This ensures you are well prepared for any situation. What we like. Master your suturing skills with this advanced kit designed by medical professionals. If you are a resident, dental, or vet school student looking for a realistic practice experience, this is for you. The large pad and variety of sutures, combined with an ebook guide, offer a thorough learning environment. What people say. Good amount of sutures, good quality instruments and tools and realistic fake skin. The kit works well to get faster at suturing and develop the muscle memory. I like that the kit came with plenty of practice sutures with 2 types of thread, and the thread is longer than traditional sutures so you can practice more stitches. The pad is durable enough to get down basic skills and work on improving them. The kit comes with plenty of thread. Hemostat and needle driver are great. Number 2. Sutures Thread with Needle, 30 pk mix. Introducing a comprehensive suture thread and needle kit, perfect for honing your surgical skills. This pack includes a variety of absorbable and non-absorbable sutures, ideal for training purposes. Our product meets high international standards, including ISO and CE certifications. It's designed for demonstration and training, ensuring you learn with reliable materials. Each item undergoes rigorous quality control. This educational device is excellent for mastering suturing techniques, building confidence for real-world clinical scenarios. These sutures are sterile and ready for immediate use, with a long expiration date for extended storage. We provide the essential tools without unnecessary complications. Considered a perfect accessory for all learners, this kit enriches suturing abilities. It's a top companion for suture supplies and emergency first aid preparation. The mixed suture pack offers a diverse range of types and sizes, including chromic, silk, nylon, polyester, and polypropylene. This variety ensures you are prepared for any training need. What we like. This kit is designed for serious training and skill development, meeting high international standards. If you are a medical or vet student preparing for clinical practice and need a reliable, sterile set of diverse sutures for practice, this is your go-to. Its focus on essential materials ensures a clear learning curve. What people say. Excellent sutures that are extremely durable, made out of quality material and extremely easy to use. The packaging was sterile. I would feel comfortable using this in case of an emergency. Nice pack of sutures to practice with, or throw in a medic bag. Number 1. Stitch Up Gear Sterile Suture Thread with Needle. We offer a comprehensive range of sterile suture threads with needles. Choose from dissolvable and non-dissolvable options in various sizes to meet your specific needs. Our products are designed for reliable medical and surgical suturing. They provide the quality and precision required for effective wound closure. This kit is an essential component for any first aid or emergency situation. Be prepared for field use and unexpected incidents. Ensure your safety during camping trips and outdoor adventures. This is a crucial addition to your safety kit for peace of mind. We provide a complete suturing solution for various applications. From minor cuts to more significant wounds, we have you covered. Our sutures are reliable and always ready when you need them. Trust in our quality for critical medical and safety needs. What we like. Be prepared for any situation with this versatile and compact suturing kit. If you need a reliable option for first aid, field emergencies, or camping safety, this kit is essential. It includes both dissolvable and non-dissolvable sterile sutures, making it a practical choice for various scenarios. What people say. Good for field surgery, minor surgery. Great training tool. A great product for people who are preppers that want to know how to do suturing if the need arises. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.